Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between majestic mountains, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was a dreamer, an adventurer at heart, and her spirit shone brightly, just like the sun that kissed the mountain peaks each morning. Her infectious enthusiasm and unwavering belief in the power of dreams captured the hearts of all who knew her. One day, as Maya was exploring the village, she stumbled upon an old, dusty book in a forgotten corner of the local library. Its pages whispered tales of a legendary treasure hidden deep within the treacherous Cave of Wonders. It was said to possess the ability to grant any wish. Maya's eyes widened with excitement as she realized the potential impact of this discovery. Driven by her insatiable thirst for adventure and the desire to inspire others, Maya decided to embark on a daring journey to find the cave and uncover the treasure's secrets. She grabbed her camera, determined to document every step of her exhilarating quest. With her trusty camera in hand and a glimmer of anticipation in her eyes, Maya ventured into the unknown. The path to the cave was filled with challenges and obstacles. There were moments when fear gripped her heart, and doubts threatened to cloud her mind. Yet, with each step, she reminded herself of the incredible power that lay within her, the power to overcome, the power to inspire, and the power to transform lives. As Maya delved deeper into the cave, her camera captured the ethereal beauty of the labyrinthine tunnels, the eerie silence that enveloped her, and the flickering shadows dancing on the ancient walls. Her audience watched in awe as she fearlessly faced darkness and adversity, her unwavering spirit shining through. But it wasn't until Maya reached the heart of the cave that she realized the true essence of her journey. There, standing before a magnificent crystal that shimmered with 1,000 colors, she heard a voice, gentle yet profound, whispering, "Maya, your camera has been more than just a tool to capture the external world. It has become a mirror reflecting the light within you." Startled yet filled with wonder, Maya looked into the lens of her camera and saw her own reflection. The voice continued, "The treasure you sought lies not in the crystal, but in the stories you've shared, the lives you've touched, and the inspiration you've ignited through your journey." With this realization, Maya's perspective shifted. She understood that her YouTube channel was not merely about finding external treasures but about uncovering the treasures within herself and others. She had been documenting not just her adventure, but the profound impact it had on her and those who followed her. Filled with a renewed sense of purpose, Maya emerged from the Cave of Wonders, carrying the priceless treasure of self-discovery. Her YouTube channel became a beacon of hope, empowering her viewers to embark on their own quests for self-realization and to embrace the transformative power of their dreams. And so, dear viewers, remember that the true treasure you seek is not external but within your own hearts. Each video, each story, and each moment of inspiration shared on this channel is an invitation for you to embark on your own extraordinary journey of self-discovery. Believe in your dreams, conquer your fears, and let your light shine brightly for the world to see. Because in the end, it is not the destination that matters, but the journey itself, and the profound impact it has on your life and the lives of others.